Hello guys, we got a question from Ubatabi. So here's the question. They gave us the sequence there, which is 3PQ24. They say determine the value of P and Q if the sequence is geometric. Since they told us that the sequence is geometric, it's nice. I would advise you to start with the general formula since they didn't give you one. So T of n is equals to A R to the power n minus 1. But we do know the value of A because A is always the first term, which is 3. So we do know the value of A. We do not know the value of R. And then this one, it doesn't matter much. N minus 1 doesn't matter much. Okay. Now, what we do is we get the common ratio. I wouldn't use 3 to get the common ratio. It will give me problems in the long run. So it's advisable to use a number far from the first term. Don't use the first term. Just don't use the first term. You can, but it will give you problems. So don't. Okay. Now we will use T4, which is equals to 24. If we use T4, which is equals to 24, then T of n will be equals to 24 is equals to A. We did say that A is equals to 3. We do not know R. Then n is equals to 4 because this is term number 4. T4, the end is equals to 4. So it's 4 minus 1. Okay, we carry on. Then 24 will equals to 3R and 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Then now that we have this, now that we are in this stage, we want to divide both sides by 3 so that we will have 8 is equals to 3 cubed. Now that we did divide by 3 both sides, we want to be left with only R, not R cubed, but only R. So what we do, we take the cube root of both sides. So if we take the cube root of R cubed, we will be left with R. And then the cube root of 8, it will be the cube root of 8. Then therefore R is equals to 2. Remember this or know this. We haven't answered the question yet. The question wants the value of P and Q. So we're getting R to help us get those values. This is not the answer, but it was a necessary means to get the answer that we want. So now we carry on. But we know that P is actually the second term. Now that we have R, it will be simple for us to get the second term, which is P. Now P is equals to the second term. We can just say P is equals to, using our general equation again, it will be 3, which is the value of A, value of R, which is 2, we just got it here, and then n minus 1, but n we know that since it's T2, n is equals to 2. Then therefore P will equals to 6. You don't need to use even a calculator there because it will be 2 minus 1, which is 1, then 2 to the power 1 is just 2, then 2 times 3 is just 6. You know that, hopefully. Sorry about these guys. The software I'm using kind of give me problems. I hope you can see. Hope you definitely can see. Now we did get the value of P, but now we want to get the value of Q. But Q is actually T3. So T3, it will be equals to, so Q will be equals to, using the general equation again, it will be A, which is 3, in bracket R, we get it, that is 2, we got it, that it's 2, then n minus 1, but our n is actually 3, because we're in T3, so it will be 3 minus 1. Then therefore Q is equals to 12 because 3 minus 1 is 2, then 2 to the power of 2 is just 4, then 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Well, we just answered 1.1.1. Thank you guys.